Allosocotrina from Allen's keynote Socotrine allos liliaceae adapted to indolent weary persons averse to either mental or physical labor, mental labor fatigues, old people, especially women of relaxed phlegmatic habit, extreme prostration with perspiration. Each appears each year as winter approaches, dissatisfied with angry about himself or his complaints, especially when constipated. Diseases of mucous membranes causes the production of mucus in jelly-like lumps from throat or rectum, affects mucous membrane of rectum. Headache across the forehead aggravated by every footstep with heaviness of eyes and nausea. Headaches are worse from heat, better from cold applications, alternating with lumbago after insufficient stool. Diarrhea has to hurry to closet immediately after eating and drinking, with want of confidence in sphincter ani. Driving out of bed early in the morning, sorinum, sulfur. When passing flatus, sensation as if stool would pass with it. Colic, cutting, gripping pain in right lower portion of abdomen, excruciating before and during stool. All pain cease after stool, leaving profuse sweating and extreme weakness. Attacks preceded by obstinate constipation. Flatus offensive, burning copious. Much flatus with small stool, burning in anus after passage of flatus. Solid stool and masses of mucus pass involuntarily, hungry during diarrhea. Before stool, rumbling, violent, sudden urging, heaviness in rectum. During stool, tenesmus and much flatus. After stool, faintness. Hemorrhoids, blue like a bunch of grapes, muriatic acid, constant bearing down in rectum, bleeding, sore, tender, hot, relieved by cold water, intense itching. Itching and burning in anus, preventing sleep. Relation. Like sulfur in many chronic diseases with abdominal plethora and congestion of portal circulation develop suppressed eruptions, similar to ammonia nux podophyllum. Aggravation early morning, sedentary life, hot, dry weather after eating or drinking, standing or walking. Amelioration, cold water, cold weather, discharge of flatus and stool. Aloe from Boric Materia Medica, Socotrine aloes. An excellent remedy to aid in re-establishing physiological equilibrium after much dosing where disease and drug symptoms are much mixed. There is no remedy richer in symptoms of portal congestion and none that has given better clinical results both for the primary pathological condition and secondary phenomena. Bad effects from sedentary life or habits, especially suitable to lymphatic and hypochondrial patients. The rectal symptoms usually determine the choice. Adapted to weary people, the aged, the phlegmatic, old beer drinkers, dissatisfied and angry about himself, alternating with lumbago. Heat internally and externally has been used successfully in the treatment of consumption by giving the pure juice. Headache alternates with lumbago with intestinal and uterine affections, disinclination to mental labor, aches above forehead with heaviness in eyes, must partially close them. Headache after stool, dull, pressive pain, worse from heat. Eyes, compelled to make small during pain in forehead, flickering before eyes, redness of eyes with yellow vision, pain deep in orbits. Face, marked redness of lips. Ears, cracking when chewing, sudden explosion and clashing in left ear, tinkling as of some thin, shivered metallic globe in head, nose, coldness of tip, bleeding in morning on awakening, full of crusts, mouth, taste bitter and sour, tasteless eructations, lips cracked and dry. Throat, thick lumps of tough mucus, varicose condition of veins in pharynx, dry scrappy filling. Stomach, aversion to meat, longing for juicy things after eating, flatulence, pulsation in rectum and sexual irritation, nausea with headache, pain in pit when making false step. Abdomen, pain around navel, worse pressure, fullness in region of liver, pain under right ribs. Abdomen feels full, heavy, hot, bloated, pulsating pain around navel, weak feeling as if diarrhea would come on, great accumulation of flutters pressing downwards, causing distress in lower bowels. Sensation of plug between symphysis pubis and os coccygeus, with urging to stool. Colic before and during stool, burning, copious flutters. Rectum, constant bearing down in rectum, bleeding, sore and hot, relieved by cold water, feeling of weakness and loss of power of sphincter ani. Sense of insecurity in rectum when passing flutters. Uncertain whether gas or stool will come. Stool passes without effort, almost unnoticed, lumpy, watery stool. Jelly-like stools with soreness in rectum after stool. A lot of mucus with pain in rectum after stool. Hemorrhoids protrude like grapes, very sore and tender. Better cold water application. Burning in anus and rectum. Constipation with heavy pressure in lower part of abdomen. Diarrhea from beer. Urinary incontinence in aged, bearing down sensation and enlarged prostate, scanty and high colored. Female, bearing down in rectum, word standing and during menses. Uterus feels heavy, cannot walk much on that account. Labor like pains in loins, extend down leg, climacteric hemorrhage, menses too early and too profuse. Respiratory winter coughs with itching, difficult respiration with stitches from liver to chest. Back, pain in small of back, worse moving, stitches through sacrum, lumbago alternating with headache and piles. Extremities, lameness in the limbs, drawing pains in joints, soles, pain when walking. Modalities, worse early morning, summer heat in hot dry weather after eating or drinking, better from cold open air. Relationship complementary to sulfur, compare Kali Beach, Lycopodium, Allium sativa, antidotes opium, sulfur. Dose, sixth potency and higher. In rectal conditions, a few doses of the third, then wet.